Good morning, students. Yesterday we introduced the concept is relation. First definition of relation. Okay, anyone? Good. Let A and B be any two non-empty sets. Then anyone please? Good. A relation R from A to B is a subset of A cross B satisfying some specified conditions. Correct. If X belongs to R is related to Y belongs to B, then we write it as X is related to Y. That is, X is related to Y if and only if X comma Y belongs to R. Now, note the domain of R. Anyone? The domain of R? Good. The domain of R is equal to X belongs to A such that X is related to Y for some Y belongs to B. Okay, next, hereafter yourself because it which is revision. Now, the codomain of B equal to? Very good. No. Listen, the codomain of R is equal to B. Okay, which is correct. Okay, next, can you tell me the range of R? Good. The range of R is equal to Y belongs to B such that X is related to Y for some X belongs to A. Now, from the above definitions, what can you say about? Anyone? Good. Domain is a subset of A. Next, the range of R is a subset of B. Very good. Can you tell me what is the codomain of R? Good, equal to B. So, these are the concepts we listened yesterday. Now, today we are going to learn the relations can be represented by arrow diagram, graph and a roster form. So, these are the three topics today we are going to revise. Today we are going to see first question is in exercise 1.2 second question which is page number 9. The question is, let A is a set which has the elements 1, 2, 3, etc. 45 and R be the relation defined as is square of on A. Here on A is important. Now write R as a subset of A cross A. Also find the domain and the range of R is the question. Listen. Here A is, that is A set is given and the condition is R be the relation defined as is square of on A. Write R as a subset of A cross A. Also find the domain and range of R is the question. Okay. And to solve the sum, first let us take a given. Now listen carefully, given. Okay. Can you tell me what is given? Anyone? Good. A is equal to, listen, given A set is equal to, set A is equal to, A set has the elements 1, 2, 3, etc. 45. Okay. Next, any other given data? Good. The second line, R be the relation defined as is square of on A. So, given that R be the relation, R be the relation defined as is square of is a relation, is a square of is relation on A. Okay. So these two data is only given. Given A set is given and R be the relation defined as is square of on A which is given. Now to prove, okay, what do you want to prove? Anyone? Good. R is a subset of A cross A. So we want to prove the relation R is a subset of A cross A. So to prove R is a subset of A cross A, to prove the relation R is a subset of A cross A. Yes. To prove the relation R is a subset of A cross A. That there is this line. Okay, A cross A. This you want to prove. Okay, what is meant by R is a subset of A cross A? That is, it has any notation, anyone? Good. That is how to write R is a subset of A cross A in notation form? Good. Listen, the symbol form is R is a subset or equal to A cross A. So, to prove that is here R is a subset of A cross A is given in sentence form, and we can write in notation form R is subset or equal to A cross A. Okay, to prove over. Now listen, again come to the question. Here A set given and R be the relation as defined as is a square of on A. Okay, given that is two data given, and write R as a subset of A cross A. So we want to prove the relation R is a subset of A cross A, that is R is a subset or equal to A cross A. Okay, to prove over. Next, listen, also, there is also, extra condition is there. So they asked some more question. Also find the domain and the range of the relation R. Also find the domain and the range of the relation R. Here, because the keyword is also find, that means to find. To find. Okay. Anyone? What want to say? What we want to find? Good. Domain and the range of R. Very good. So to find a domain and the range of R. Domain and the range of R. Okay. So this question contains two data. First, we want to prove R is a subset of A cross A. Then we want to find domain and the range of the relation R. Okay, these two data want to find. So, okay, again come to the question. What is relation? Can you tell me what is relation, anyone? Good. E is a square of. What is meant by E is a square of? E is a square of is nothing but here using pencil work, write y is equal to x square. That's all. Y is equal to x square. Here E is a square of means y equal to x square. That's all. Okay. Now, first we want to prove the relation R is a subset of A cross A. So first we want to complete the Cartesian product A cross A. So that is important. First let us complete Cartesian product A cross A. Okay, start yourself, care after yourself, because okay, A cross A is equal to, here first set A and second set also, yes, A. That means what is A set? A set is equal to 1 comma, okay, yourself, here after yourself, very good, 1 comma, 2 comma, 3 comma, say yourself, etc. comma, 45, good. Okay, what is middle relation? Cross, yes, cross, okay. What is second set? Second set also A. That means the same want to write, okay, answer yourself, good, 1 comma, 2 comma, 3 comma, etc. comma, 45. Complete the flower bracket. Okay. Now yourself, which is equal to, that is A cross A. A cross A is equal to, see here A cross A means anyone? Good. Cartesian product. Okay. How to find a Cartesian product? Anyone student? Very good. Taking first element of the first set and pair with, good, all the elements in the second set. Okay, listen, taking first element of the first set and pair with all the elements in the second set. That means 1 comma 1. Next, here after yourself. Good. 1 comma 2. Next. Very good. 1 comma 3. Next. Etc. comma. Okay, etc. comma. What is the last element? Good. 1 comma 45. Okay. And now listen. A cross A is equal to, first, taking the first element of 1 and pair with all the elements in the second set. Okay, start your answer. Good. 1 comma 1. Next. Very good. 1 comma 2. Next. 1 comma 3. Next. Etc. comma 1 comma 45. Okay. See, listen here, first element 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma. So that is the first element over. Now next step, please. Good. Second element 2. Now taking second element 2 and pair with all the elements in the second set. Okay, start yourself. Anyone student? Good. see 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, etc. comma, good, 2 comma 45. Okay, I'll start. Now listen, taking 2, 2 comma 1, comma 2 comma 2, comma, good, 2 comma 3, comma, etc. comma, etc. comma 2 comma 45. Complete the bracket. Okay, now take the third element. Now let us consider the third element and pair with all the elements in the second set. Okay, start your answer. Okay, very good. 3 comma 1. Similarly, 3 comma 1. Hereafter yourself. Good. 3 comma 2, comma 3 comma 3, comma, etc. comma 3 comma 45. Okay. Now here first set contains how many elements? Anyone? Good, 45 elements. Second set contains how many elements? Good, 45 elements. So n of a equal to 45, n of b is equal to 45. Now can you tell me that is n of a cross a equal to anyone? Very good, 45 into 45. Listen the rough work, that is small rough work is, so a set contains 45, again a set contains 45, so n of a cross a is equal to 45 into 45. Can you tell me what is 45 into 45 anyone? Very good, 45 square equal to 2025. Very good, so which is equal to 2025. 45 square is equal to 2025. So here a cross a contains totally how many ordered pairs? Very good, 2025 ordered pairs are there. So a cross a contains totally 2025 ordered pairs are there. And if we write all the 2025 ordered pairs for a cross a, it takes definitely 20 minutes. But the government provide you only 3 hours time to write exam. So that is why here we want to use etc. Okay, etc. condition. Listen, here etc. Okay, etc. So that's the idea. Now that is etc. means what? Taking the fourth element and pair with all the elements and etc. And the last, now let us come to, and 40, what is 45 before what element? Good, 44. Here 44 also pair with all the elements in the second set. Can tell me mind itself? Good, 44 comma 1, next 44 comma 2, comma 44 comma 3, comma etc. comma 44 comma 45. So now I want to take the last element. Let us consider last element because it takes more time. The time is not convenient. So that is why, see, etc. 45 comma, hereafter yourself, good, 45 comma 1, comma 45 comma 2, comma 45 comma 3, etc. comma, very good, 45 comma 45. Okay, complete the flower bracket. And whose left hand side is what? Good, the same a cross a. So a set contains 45 elements, again a set contains 45 elements. So totally n of a cross a is equal to 45 into 45 is equal to 45 square is equal to 2025 ordered pairs are there. And if you write all the 2025 ordered pairs, definitely it takes 20 minutes. So that is why here we are using etc. 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 like that. Okay, that is Cartesian product a cross a completed. Okay, now again come to the question. Here already we aimed given to prove, to find. Here to prove, also to find. Okay, come to the first topic, to prove. What we want to prove? R is a subset of a cross a. First we want to prove R is a subset of a cross a. Okay, and what is the condition? Anyone? Good. Is square of. E square of means good, y equal to x square. So now I want to take y is equal to x square. Now listen, we want to take y is equal to x square because the what is the condition? Yes, square of. Square of means y equal to x square. Now take y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x square. Let us consider in middle y is equal to x square. Okay. Here the condition is, relation is square of. That means y equal to x square. Okay. Now can you tell me here x can take the values? Anyone? Good. 1 to 45. So where x can take the values 1 to 45. because A set contains that is 1 to 45, but under the condition this y answer must be belongs to the A set. That is very important. Okay, now start. Listen, when x equal to 1, okay, now hereafter yourself. See here, x can take the values from the A set. So x can take the values from 1 to 45 such that the condition, the answer should be, that is the square answer should be belongs to the set A. Okay, first let us prepare mind itself. Can you tell me? That is 1 square equal to square of 1 is 1. Square of 1 is 1. Very good. Whether 1 belongs to A set or not? Yes, belongs to A set. Okay. Square of 2 is good. 4. Yes, 4 belongs to the A set. Next. Square of 3 is anyone? 9. So 9 belongs to A set. Square of 4 is anyone? 16. 16 belongs to A. Square of 5 is 25. 25 belongs to A. Square of 6 is 36. 36 belongs to A. Okay. Square of 7 is 49. Whether 49 belongs to the set or not, A set or not? Good. No. See, 7 square is equal to 49, but 49 is not belongs to the given set. So we can't use 7 square is equal to 49. We can't take x equal to 7 because 49 not belongs to the given set A. Because here the relation from A to A. So that is why 49 is not belongs to the given set. Therefore 7 square equal to 49 is not possible. Okay, similarly, very good. 8 square equal to 64. 64 not belongs to the set. So not possible. Similarly, 9 square equal to 81 not possible, 10 square equal to 100 not possible, etc. 44 square is equal to some answer is not possible, etc. 45 square is equal to 2025 is not possible because 45 square is equal to 2025 is not belongs to the set given set A. So now by trial and error method we want to try, but under the condition the answer should be belongs to A set. So that is very important. Okay, start yourself. When x equal to 1, y is equal to, when x equal to 1, y equal to, good, 1 square. 1 square is equal to 1. Good. And which means what? Which implies when x equal to 1, y equal to 1. Therefore the ordered pair is 1, 1. Therefore the ordered pair is 1, 1. Which means 1 is related to 1. And it is of the form 1, 1 square. That's all. Okay, now start. When x equal to 2, hereafter yourself. When x equal to 2, good, y is equal to 2 square, which is equal to 2 square equal to 4. Okay, express in ordered pair, good. When x equal to 2, y equal to 4, therefore 2, 4. 2, 4. Okay, what is meant by 2, 4? 2, that is a 2 square is equal to 4. That is a 2 is related to 4. Okay. Similarly, when x equal to 3, y is equal to 3 square. Okay, which is equal to 3 square equal to 9. Which implies express in ordered pair. Very good. When x equal to 1, y equal to 9. Therefore 1, 9. Okay, next. When x equal to 4, y is equal to 4 square. 4 square equal to 16. Okay, that is can you tell me ordered pair please? Good. 1, 16. Okay, next. See, remember the answer must be belongs to the given set A. That is very important. Okay, here given set A set is 1 to 45 only. You want to see, we need the answers that is between 1 to 45. Okay, that is very important. You don't find that is when x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3, x equal to 5, etc., x equal to 10, x equal to 100 likewise. So it is x can takes limited values because of the condition square of. Okay, now when x equal to 5, y is equal to 5 square. Okay, 5 square equal to 25, which implies, can you tell me ordered pair? Good. That is 5, 25. To listen, really you are not listening correctly, because listen, when x equal to 1, 1 square equal to 1, 1, 1. When x equal to 2, 2 square equal to 4, so 2, 4. Next, when x equal to 3, 3 square equal to 9, which means what? That is ordered pair please. Very good. 3 comma 9, not 1 comma 9. 3 comma 9. So identify correctly. Your listening is very important. Okay, next. When x equal to 4, 4 square equal to 16. So what is that first element? 4. That you are, okay, next. When x equal to 5, y is equal to 5 square equal to 25. Therefore 5 comma 25. Listen. Say 1 comma 1 square. Remember how to verify the answer. Verification answer is very simple. 1 comma 1 square. 2 comma 2 square. 3 comma 3 square. 4 comma 4 square. 5 comma 5 square. Okay, next. When x equal to 6, y is equal to 6 square, which is equal to 36. Implies, can you tell me the ordered pair? Good. 6 comma 36. 6 comma 36. Okay. Suppose, remember, when x equal to 7, y is equal to, good, 7 square. Equal to, 7 square equal to 49. Okay, what is ordered pair? 7 comma 49. But whether 7 comma 49 is correct or incorrect? Anyone? Good. Incorrect. Why? Because it is incorrect. 7 comma 49. Good. 49 not belongs to the given set A. So that is why we can't substitute x equal to 7, x equal to 8, x equal to 9, x equal to 10, etc. So stop up to this. Now I want to write ordered pair. That is ordered pair. The relation R is given by the ordered pair. Okay, anyone? Good. That is ordered pair 1 comma 1. That is R contains how many elements? 1 comma 1, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 16, 5 comma 25, 6 comma 36. Okay, list out. That is R is equal to 1 comma 1, comma 2 comma 4, comma 3 comma 9. Very good. Remember 1 comma 1 square, 2 comma 2 square, 3 comma 3 square, comma next 4 comma 4 square. 4 square equal to 16, comma 5 comma, good, 5 square. So 5 square is equal to 25. Next 6 comma 6 square. 6 square equal to 36. So 6 comma 36. Complete the moon bracket, complete the flower bracket. Okay. Now again remember the question. Here there is two data they asked. First prove that the relation R is a subset of A cross A. Then we want to prove then we want to find a domain and the range of R. Okay, first question, prove that the relation R is a subset of A cross A. Okay, to prove the relation R is a subset of A cross A, it is enough to prove all the elements in R are the elements of A cross A. Now by individual inspection we want to verify all the elements of the relation R should contains A cross A, then only R is said to be relation from A to A. Okay, by individual inspection, say first consider 1 comma 1. Can tell me 1 comma 1 belongs to A cross A? Where it is? Good. 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1, yes percent. Next 2 comma 4. Where is 2 comma 4? Whether 2 comma 4 belongs to A cross A or not? Verify. Yes, 2 comma 4. Where it lies? Very good. First element 2, first element 2. So here 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, comma 2 comma 4. Yes, 2 comma 4 available. Here there is no place to write here 2 comma 4, but here that 2 comma 4 is hiding. That is available. Okay, next come to 3 comma 9. Whether 3 comma 9 belongs to A cross A or not? Okay, anyone? Available or not? Yes. Good. 3 comma 9. Where it lies? Yes, third row. Listen. 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma yes, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, etc. 3 comma 9 is available. So 3 comma 9 is available in A cross A. Okay, next 4 comma 16. Whether 4 comma 16 present in A cross A or not? Yes, present. And which row? Yes, very good. Fourth row. First row, second row, third row. Here first element 1 first row, second element, that is first element 2 second row, first element 3 third row. Here first element 4 lies in which row? Fourth row. Yes, which is available. That means 4 comma. Anyone say how to identify? 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, etc. 4 comma 16 is available. Okay, come to next ordered pair. Whether 5 comma 25 present in A cross A or not? Anyone? Yes. In which row? Yes, good. 5th row available. So 5 comma 25 available. Okay, next 6 comma 36 present in A cross A or not? Yes, present. In which row? That is 6th row, because 1st row, 2nd row, 3rd row, 4th row, 5th row, 6th row. In 6th row 6 comma 36 available. Therefore, what is your conclusion? Anyone? Good. All the elements in R are the elements of A cross A. Therefore, R is a subset of A cross A. That is, write in notation form. Yes, R is subset or equal to A cross A. So now I want to write conclusion. And before that, we want to answer some more answers. That is a domain and a range. To answer domain and range, we need a arrow diagram. So first, let us draw the arrow diagram. Okay, listen. Arrow diagram. Okay, arrow diagram for the relation R is given by arrow diagram. Listen, see the first set A and the second set is also A. Okay, listen, the relation from A to A. Here the relation from A to A. Okay, what is the first set? A set elements? Good. A takes the elements 1 to 45. Now listen, 1 comma, next 2 comma, next 3 comma, 4 comma, 5 comma, 6 comma, 7 comma. Here there is no place to write all the 45 elements. See, A set equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 7 comma etc comma 44 comma 45. So we want to use etc. So etc to 45. Okay, etc to 45. Next, see second set also A set, that is a relation from A to A. Okay, what is second set elements? Yes, 1 comma. Okay, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma etc. But in A set there is no place to write all the 45 elements. So we want to use etc. See, because 1 square equal to 1. So 1 etc. 2 square equal to 4. Therefore 4 etc. comma 3 square equal to 9. So etc 9 comma 4 square equal to 16. So etc 16. Then 5 square equal to 25. Therefore, etc 25. Listen, etc 25. Next. Okay, 6 square equal to 36. So, etc 36. Next, 7 square equal to 49. But 49 not present in A set. So, 36 etc. you write 45. So the last element is 45. Okay, we want to map. See how to group it, how to pair it. Listen, square of 1 is 1. Yes, square of 1 is 1. Here after yourself. Okay, start your answer. Very good. Square of 2 is 4. Square of 2 is 4. Next. Good. Square of 3 is 9. Next. Square of 4 is good 16. Square of 5 is 25. Next, square of 6 is 36. Square of 7 is 49, but 49 not available in the given set. Okay, that's all. Now arrow diagram is ready. Now let us write ordered pairs. Children listen, for this question we want to answer two type of answers. First answer, R is a relation from A to A, that we want to prove. Okay, next answer please. Good. Find the domain and the range. Okay, to prove R is a relation from A to A, we need the roster form. Now listen, First subdivision A is arrow diagram completed. Next let us consider the roster form. Listen, B. Roster form of the relation R is anyone? Good. That is, the relation R is given by the same. Listen, square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16, square of 5 is 25, square of 6 is 36. So they are the ordered pairs in roster form. Okay, start. 1 comma 1 square equal to 1. Good. Next 2 comma 2 square. Good. 2 comma 4. Next 3 comma 3 square equal to 3 comma 9. Okay. 4 comma 4 square, which means 4 comma 16. Okay. Comma 5 comma 5 square, that is 5 comma 25. Yes, 5 comma 25. Okay. Next is 6 comma 6 square, which means 6 comma 36. Good. 6 comma 36. Complete the floor bracket. Now I want to answer domain and range of the relation R. Domain and range of the relation R. Domain and range of the relation R. Now listen, that is subdivision C is given by, and also we forget one more thing. First we want to prove the relation R is a subset of A cross B. So that is important. Okay, can you tell me anyone theory portion for this? Good. All the elements in R are the elements of A cross A. Therefore, R is a subset of, good, A cross A. Can you tell me notation form? Good. R is a subset or equal to A cross A. Okay, now listen, theory portion please. All the elements in R are the elements of A cross A. Okay. All the elements in R, here after yourself. Good. All the elements in R are the elements of A cross A. Are the elements of are the elements of A cross A. Okay. That is yourself. Good. R is a subset of A cross A. So that is R is a subset of A cross A. Okay, A cross A. Write in symbol form. Good. That is R is a subset or equal to A cross A. Yes. Here there are two answers. First answer, prove that R is a subset of A cross A. Yes, we proved. What is the next answer, please? Good. Find the domain and the range of R. Okay. Now listen, part C. Part C is given by the domain and the range of the relation R. Okay. Now the domain of the relation R. The domain of the relation R. Okay. Anyone? The domain of the relation R. Anyone? Okay, wait. Listen. Second one, what you want to find? Range of R. Range of the relation R. Yes, range of the relation R. Now we want to find domain and the range of the relation R. Okay, any idea to find a domain and the range of the relation R? Okay, very good. From the arrow diagram one can say. Listen, that is a domain from A set. Okay, can you tell me domain? Very good. Domain equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. That's all. Okay, can you tell me what is range? Range equal to, yes, very good, 1 comma 4 comma 9 comma 16 comma 25 comma 36 range. And one can write from arrow diagram, otherwise one can write from this roster form, that is in ordered pairs also one can identify. Okay. Listen, in ordered pair, the first element is the domain. Listen, first element is the domain. First element is domain. So that is idea. Okay, listen. See, the first element 1 is domain, that is first element is domain, first element is domain, first element is domain. Similarly, very good, first element 4 is belongs to domain. Next, good, first element 5 is belongs to domain. Next, first element 6 is belongs to domain. Very good. Okay. And next in ordered pairs, the second element is, yes, very good, listen, first elements are domain and the second elements are range. So using pencil work, see, second element equal to range, second element 1 equal to range. Next, second element 4 equal to range, belongs to range. Oh good, second element 9 belongs to range. Next, second element 16 belongs to range. Second element 25 belongs to range. Next, second element 36 belongs to range. Okay. Now here the first elements are the domain and the second elements are good range. And listen, it is of the form doctor, dr. So doctor, say doctor, 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 doctor. So the first elements in ordered pairs can takes domain and second elements in ordered pairs are called range. The short form is doctor. So doctor, 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 doctor. To find a domain and a range, it is a easy method, that is remember doctor, 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 doctor. Okay. Now can you tell me the elements? Good. Domain of R. Good. Very good. Start. 1 comma. Domain of R. 1 comma. Next yourself, here after yourself. Good. 2 comma. Next yourself, first element 3 comma. Next, good, first element 4 comma. Next, first element 5 comma. Next, the first element 6. Good, you completed. Next, domain of the relation or yourself. Okay, start your answer. Good, how to write, here domain is completed. Now you want to write answer, range. Okay, can you tell me range of the relation or? Yes, given by second element. Okay, second range, second element 1. For range, second element is 4 comma. For range, the second element is 9 comma. For range, the second element is 16 comma. For range, the second element is 25 comma. For range, the second element is 36. Okay, complete the flower bracket. Now one can verification. See, we can verify. How to verify this answer, whether domain and range are equal or that is correct or incorrect? How to verify? Good. Okay. Anyone? Very good. See, 1 square equal to 1, 2 square equal to 4, 3 square equal to 9. Yes. 4 square equal to 16, 5 square equal to 25, 6 square equal to 36. So find the domain and the range of R is completed. So this question, there are two parts. First one is prove that the relation R is a subset of A cross A, and the second part is find the domain and the range of the relation R, which we completed. Children listen, now third question from second exercise. A relation R is given by the set x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 3 comma x belongs to the set 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Determine its domain and range. Okay, listen, determine its domain and range. So here we want to find what? Good. Domain of the relation R and range of the relation R. Okay. First let us write given. Listen. So listen, given. Okay. Anyone? What is given from the question? Given. Good. That is given the relation R is equal to. Yes. Given the relation R, it is this set builder form. You want to name as the relation R. Okay. The relation R is equal to, very good, x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 3 comma x belongs to the set, good, x belongs to the set 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, complete the flower bracket and complete the bigger bracket. So there are two brackets. Listen, the first bracket for x set and the second bracket for this set builder form. So starting first initially one bigger flower bracket and ends with the flower bracket. Here small flower bracket completed to small. Okay, which is given information. Okay, given is ready. Now to find. Okay, to find. Anyone? Good. Domain and range of R. To find domain and range of R. Listen. To find domain. Yes, to find a domain and a range. Domain and range of the relation R. Okay. So given to find. Okay, now take your given condition. Can you tell me what is given condition? Anyone? Good. Y is equal to x plus 3. Take your given condition in center. Y is equal to x plus 3. Okay. Such that, can you tell me x can take the values from where to where? Anyone? Good. 0 to 5. Because, why because 0 to 5? Very good. Because of the condition. Listen, the condition is x can take the values 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. So x can take the values from 0 to 5. So that is important. We can't substitute x is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 etc. 100,000 like that. Under the condition x can take the values from 0 to 5. That is important. So y is equal to x plus 3 from the condition comma x can take the values, that is x belongs to the elements, x can take the, which means x can take the values. Okay, x can take the values 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Complete the flower bracket. Okay, condition is ready. Now hereafter yourself. Anyone? Good. When x equal to 0, very good. When x equal to 0, listen. When x equal to 0, such that y is equal to, yes, 0 plus 3. Y is equal to 0 plus 3, which is equal to 0 plus 3 equal to, yes, 3. Okay. Now can you tell me which implies, can you tell me the ordered pair please? Very good. When x equal to 0, y equal to 3, therefore 0 is related to 3, that is 0 comma 3. So which implies 0 comma 3 is the ordered pair. Now hereafter yourself. Remember here x can take the values from 0 to 5. That is very important. Okay, hereafter yourself. Start. What is the next element? 1. Good. When x equal to 1, such that y is equal to, yes, 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 equal to 4. Which implies, what is ordered pair please? Good, 1 comma 4. Because, what is the reason? When x equal to 1, y equal to 4, therefore 1 comma 4 is the ordered pair. Okay, next, yourself. Good. When x equal to 2, such that y is equal to 2 plus 3, correct. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Which implies, can you tell me the ordered pair? Good. Y 2 comma 5. Very good. When x equal to 2, y equal to 5, therefore the ordered pair is given by 2 comma 5. Okay, next. Very good. When x equal to 3, y is equal to 3 plus 3. Yes. Which is equal to 3 plus 3 equal to, good, 6. Which implies ordered pair, yes, 3 comma 6. Why? Because when x equal to 3, y equal to 6. 3 comma 6. Okay, next. when x equal to 4, see when x equal to 4 possible or not? Anyone? Yes, possible. Because what reason? Good. So x can take the values from 0 to 5. So we until 2 we substituted 0 to 3. So we can substitute 2 more numbers. They are when x equal to 4 and x equal to 5. See here, when x equal to 6, x equal to 7, x equal to 8, etc. not possible because of this condition. Here x can take the values 0 to 5 only. That is very important. See, you don't find blindly when x equal to 4, x equal to 5, x equal to 6, x equal to 10, x equal to 100 likewise. That is very important. Okay. When x equal to 4, yourself, good. Y is equal to 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 equal to 7. Which implies, good, 4 comma 7. Okay. Next. When x equal to 5 possible or not? Yes, because 5 belongs to the set x. X can take 5. Okay. When x equal to 5, y is equal to 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Okay. Can you tell me what is the ordered pair? Good. 5 comma 8. Okay. 5 comma 8. Next. When x equal to 6, very good, very, very good. I am today very happy because why x equal to 6 not possible? Good. X equal to 6 not belongs to the given condition. So x can takes the values from 0 to 5 only. So no need to find when x equal to 6, x equal to 7, x equal to 8, etc. Okay, stop the sum. Now hereafter yourself. Very good. The relation R is given by the relation. The relation R is given by. Okay. Write the relation R is given by. Anyone? Very good. Set of ordered pairs. What are they? Yes. 0 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 7, 5 comma 8, 6 comma, good, 6 comma not possible because there is no 6. Okay. Write all the ordered pairs in relation R. Okay. What is the first element? 0 comma 3. Okay. Second element? 1 comma 4. Okay. Third element 2 comma 5. Yes. Fourth element 3 comma 6. Fifth element 4 comma 7. Sixth element 5 comma 8. Complete the floor bracket. Okay. What we are asked to find, anyone? Very good. The domain and the range of the relation R. So now we want to answer two part, domain of the relation R and range of the relation R. Now listen, domain of the relation. So subdivision 1, domain. Domain of the relation R is given by. Next step. What is the next topic, please? Good. Range. Second part is range. Range of the relation R is given by. Okay. Okay. How to identify domain of the relation R and the range of the relation R? Anyone? Very good. Very, very good. By previous sum, we know the shortcut idea. What is the shortcut idea from the relation R? Very good. Doctor. Because it is a corona period, the doctors are very, they are hardworking. We must salute to the doctors. So to find a domain and a range, there is a shortcut, doctor, which means, okay, identify using penciler, please. Very good. Doctor. Next. Again 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 doctor. Okay. For this question, count how many doctors are there? Very good. There are 6 doctors. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Okay. List out the domain of R. Anyone? Good. How to list out? The first element, domain. 0 belongs to domain. Come on. Next. The first element 1 belongs to domain. 1. Come on. The first element 2 belongs to domain 2, comma. The first element 3 belongs to the set domain 3, comma. The first element 4 belongs to the domain set 4, comma. The first element 5 belongs to the domain, so 5. Complete the floor bracket. Okay. Now, can you tell me range? Anyone range? Okay. Now, range of the relation are good. Second elements. Listen. That is, second element 3 belongs to the set range. Second element 4 belongs to the set range 4, comma. Second element 5 belongs to the range, so 5, comma. Second element 6 belongs to the set range, so 6, comma. Second element 7 belongs to the set range 7, comma. Second element 8 belongs to the set 8. So complete the floor bracket. Okay. See, listen. In this question, we are asked to find a domain and a range of R. So first we list out the ordered pairs of the relation R. Then we have the technique, that is domain comma range, domain comma range, domain comma range. That is doctor comma doctor comma doctor, etc. So domain of the domain and the range of the relation is completed. Children, listen. I given yesterday 2 sums homework. Most of the students are completed their homework and they send it through WhatsApp. I am very happy. But a few of the students are not submitted. I call them and I inquired, but they are replying, sir, I completed homework, but there is no net pack. So that is why delay, sir, like that they are answering. So don't say any reasons. Must I need homework? All should submit the homework. Today I given 2 sums left as homework. They are examples 4 and 5. Complete the homework then and there and send it through WhatsApp. I will correct and I will tell you where are the mistake. If there is no mistake, I will appreciate you. Thank you, one and all.